Here's a full review of a Craig Hill Sidewinder knife. This is definitely the weirdest knife I've ever seen. This is actually a company that makes puzzles, and now they made a puzzle knife. So definitely do not give a knife like that to not a knife person, because this is definitely takes a little bit of practice to figure it out how to use it. So the handle split in two with the waves. The one is black and one is silver. And whenever we use the liner lock, this is called liner lock, it is closes, but the entire handle will move. That is incredible. This is so unique. The actual knife costs $180. The materials are pretty cheap. The materials are stainless steel. In a blade too, we like to have knife people really nice blade materials, at least D2. The entire knife is very simple. The only reason why it's expensive, I guess, there's a lot of little pieces, and it is kind of like limited edition. That's the only thing I wanted to talk about it. It's not MT90. For $180 we can get like a really nice blade steel. I think this is the entire knife in stainless steel, which is not the best in my opinion, but still high quality, very smooth, machinery made. Let's see if I can flick it out. There you go. There is a way to flick it open, and obviously kind of easy to close it. It's kind of like a gravity operational, because if I flick it this way, it is so heavy it wants to open with weight. Look at it. And same thing, if I open it a little bit, it's so heavy it wants to open it. So the way I would recommend it to open it, either do a little flick and keep the fingers out of the way, or flick it down this way. And again, the tricky part is keep the fingers out of the way and not dropping it. There you go. So definitely probably the easiest way to hold it this way. Keep trying to film it, getting it too close, and open it that like this. Let's see, just a tiny little angle, doesn't have to be all the way down, and it should do it like this. Opa, boom, and it locks in. It's so smooth, look at that. Even when I drop it like this, boom, so much weight, it wants to lock it all the way through. Once it's past this point, boom, same thing right here. So it is a flipper, boom. Once I kind of play with it, it's kind of gets pretty easy. Kind of flick it out, but very careful. Don't let go of this knife and drop it, because with that motion there's only half a handle to hold on to it. It is quite easy to kind of lose the grip out of that knife. Boom. This is so strange. I don't know if I would use it every day, but if you collect unique folding knives, this is definitely part of the collection. Will make any collection jealous.